Legs quivering, forearm shot, heart rate maxed. Oh, what a bear. Welcome back to the 6 10-minute workout. We're doing the kettlebell swing today, or dumbbell swing, but not nearly as comfortable. Kettlebell swings are serious. If you have never been professionally coached, hands-on, I don't trust, and I wouldn't trust yourself that you know exactly what you're doing. Going back to my 50 workout program that you all have definitely done by now, we know the 3 main things. We are in the hinge pattern, so butt drifts back to that imaginary line. We don't squat up and down. The triangle is good. You keep a high hand. You don't get low into that bottom square section. That means you're reaching and squatting the rep. No good. And our imaginary line is your tall lockout. You can't get any higher than that. If you overextend the back or under finish the rep, you're always below the line. So you're boom, locking out, hitting that reference point. Those are the big takeaways. Bracing, breathing, holding on for dear life, all that comes secondary. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna go into a 10-minute clock, chunk this out into 10 reps at a time, 15, 25, 50s. That's good numbers to work with. If it's a super lightweight, you might go unbroken. There's an old special forces test, 24 kilo bell, 300 swings in 10 minutes. That's what I'm mentally thinking about, but we'll see if these little forearms can hang on. Form is first. If you break down, you need to stop. I'm mic'd up so you can hear me suffer and grunt, but today's a focus fest. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I gotta keep my rep count going and see if I can strive to survive here. So let's go, here we go. Workout begins, fast, quick. This one is nasty. Okay, right before we go, bell is ready. Form cues, laser straight back, award-winning straight back. I can't watch you today, obviously. I'm focusing on my own swings, so are you. Target, we're gonna swing to chin or eye level, somewhere around here. Not locked arms, slightly relaxed is okay. We're not gonna go for the Velociraptor speed swings. That's a shorter radius, but we'll at least get up to chin height for consistent reference. Keep track of your own reps, and you'll come back and do this workout whenever you'd like. Some like to do 300 swings a day. There's a challenge going around. It's been around for a while. You can consider that, but this one is gonna cook me. So I'm just doing this once for right now. Here we go. In 5 seconds we begin. Always start from behind the bell. Reach out, load the lats like we know, and we begin. Nice hip hinges. Good breathing behind the brace. Oh, there's my first 50. There's nothing soft about kettlebell swings. This is aggressive. We're over a minute and a half in already. You cannot turn off during the swing. Okay, going in for my next. I think that was it. Lost count in there. Ooh. Just shake the forearms out. Just shake the forearms out. I gotta keep going. Breath is picking up. Stay in control. Form first. Oh, there it is. That's exactly halfway. Whoa. So I can keep on that pace to even hit 300. Brutal. Forearms on fire. I gotta get back into it. Here we go. Lordy. Keep yourself together. 3:16 to go. I gotta just keep it up. I gotta burn the heart rate now. Gotta push to the end. Oh no, minute 30, I gotta go unbroken pretty much. Okay, I'm just gonna swing. Afterburners kick on. Swing to the bell. Ooh. Here we go, no stops. 30 seconds. I'll have to go back and count the tape here. Oh, sweat towel, where are you? Ooh. Legs quivering, forearm shot, heart rate maxed. Workouts don't have to be fancy. They can be straightforward and boring. Swing it the whole way. If you haven't seen by now, I also did the Dan John 10,000 swing workout program, 20 days, 100 swings per workout. I'm losing my mind. For 20 workouts in a month. So go check that one out. Keep score, keep track, come back, do this whenever you want to. Pair it up with the other 10-minute workouts, or get your butts back and do my whole 50 workout program series. See you back for 7. $500 workouts per 500